1984 thought reforms telling us that war is peace, freedom is slavery, and ignorance is strength. We are tired of their double-speak tongues, twisting, tricking through confusing manipulations, and creating clouds of darkness, turning brilliance into foolishness, and common sense into caricature. I am tired, and my intuition, instincts, telling me that war is not peace, freedom is not slavery, and definitely ignorance is not strength. We are tired of these exotic falsehoods hiding in twisted philosophies, sugar-sweet words hiding in hypocritical jargons, upside-down mentalities of old bygones, dogmas, and dramas. We are simply tired. Ike agwụla dibịa ụwa biko. Oge erugo mgbe ihe ga-agbanwetu. Uche amarago ihu deso.